Welcome to Insights Navigator. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the H-1B visa for fiscal year 2026, including the latest updates, selection process, what to do if not selected, and when visas become valid. Let's begin with the major changes for fiscal year 2026. The USCIS now uses a beneficiary-centric selection process. This means each individual only enters the lottery once, even if multiple employers sponsor them. The definition of specialty occupation has been clarified. Deference to prior petition approvals has been reinstated, reducing unnecessary denials. CAP-exempt criteria have expanded, and the newly updated Form I-129 is required for all filings. Registration ran from March 7 to 24, 2025. The USCIS selected 85,000 beneficiaries, 65,000 under the regular cap, and 20,000 with advanced degrees. Results were announced by March 31, 2025. Approved H-1B petitions are valid, starting October 1, 2025, which marks the beginning of the fiscal year. If selected, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Collect your selection notice and passport. Step 2. File Form I-129 with a certified labor condition application. Step 3. Submit your petition between April 1 and June 30, 2025. Step 4. Be sure to include the job offer letter and detailed job duties. Step 5. Track your case status online through USCIS. What if you're not selected? You can reapply through CAP-exempt organizations like universities or research institutions. If you're on an F-1 visa, consider using STEM OPT extension if eligible. You can also reapply next year, or explore alternate work visas like the L-1 or O-1. The registration fee remains at $215, as updated in 2024. So far, no major restrictions have been introduced for fiscal year 2026, and the political environment continues to favor skilled immigration. If you found this helpful, please do like the video and subscribe to Insights Navigator for more immigration insights. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your H-1B journey.